In this video, we'll explain the different types of contributions that can be made into your Military Superannuation and Benefits Scheme account. If you haven't already, we recommend you first watch the video, How Does the MSBS Work?, as it will help you understand some of the concepts mentioned in this video. With MSBS, you make post-tax non-concessional member contributions based on a percentage of your superannuation salary, ranging from 5% to 10%. It is mandatory that you pay contributions of at least 5%, which is taken from your net fortnightly pay, and you may increase this above the default rate of 5% to any whole percentage up to and including 10%. However, you should take into consideration that increasing your contribution rate above 5% does not attract any additional employer benefits, discussed in our video on how the MSBS works, and will only increase your member benefit, which is similar to accumulation style superannuation. So it's important to explore alternative options such as salary sacrifice if you wish to contribute more to super. Your employer is mandated to pay 3% of your superannuation salary as productivity contributions until you reach your pension maximum benefit limit or MBL or elect to stop contributing. These contributions are made by your employer to fund the productivity component, which is compulsorily invested in the balanced investment option. Productivity contributions are the only contributions your employer will make into your account. However, your employer also contributes to the pool of assets that supports all MSBS members, not just your account specifically. These contributions make up the employer component, also referred to as the unfunded component, that you might see on your annual statement. The purpose of these contributions is to make sure your employer is contributing enough throughout your career so that when your final benefit is calculated, there will be enough available funds to pay your benefit. As working out the contributions made to your account by your employer can be quite complex, to simplify things, MSBS reports a total defined benefit contributions or notional taxed contributions (NTC) amount that is inclusive of all concessional contributions made to your MSBS account. You can use this figure when working out if you are able to make additional voluntary concessional contributions to super. You may notice other contributions on your MSBS account statement that may be received to form part of your auxiliary benefit. These include contributions such as salary sacrifice, which are pre-tax concessional contributions, additional personal contributions, which are not to be confused with your member contributions, spouse contributions, government contributions, or superannuation guarantee contributions. Let's look at an example of Henry, who has an annual superannuation salary of $96,000. Using Henry's salary and additional details about his situation, MSBS determines that his notional taxed contributions are $8,260 for the year, and this figure forms part of Henry's concessional contributions for the year. Henry has maintained mandatory member contributions into his member benefit at 5% of his superannuation salary. These contributions total $4,800 per annum and are made as non-concessional contributions coming out of his take-home pay. Henry also has a bit of extra cash he is able to save, so he has decided to salary sacrifice $10,000 per annum from his before-tax pay, which will be added to his concessional contributions, now totaling $18,260 for the year. These salary sacrifice contributions will help him reduce his taxable income. The salary sacrifice contributions are directed to his auxiliary benefit and total $8,500 after the 15% contributions tax has been removed. Finally, there are limits on the total benefit you can accrue in military super, known as the maximum benefit limits or MBLs. Reaching these limits can restrict your and your employer's ability to make further contributions into your account. Please refer to our MSBS Understanding Maximum Benefit Limits video for further information on this topic. The main takeaways in this video are that you are mandated to contribute at least 5% of your superannuation salary to your MSBS account. And while increasing your contribution rate above 5% will increase your member benefit, it does not further enhance your employer benefit. If you require further information or advice on this or other topics, visit moneyed.com.au. And remember, any advice in this video is general and does not consider your financial situation, needs or objectives, so consider if it's appropriate.